studying in BZC first year English medium at Government Degree College, Bodhra. We are preparation by Jignasa Study Project at Government Degree College, Bodhra. Department of English. Our topic is the analysis of grammatical errors in secondary school student essay of English. The Jignasa Study Project presented by Asfanas, Nusrat Begum, Shafina Begum, Mir Sumera Fatima, Ezra Firdaus. The generated of grammatical errors in secondary school student essays of English. Abrastic. The education system in India lays more stress on studies. It is an exam system or not an education system. Why it is so that we can remember the movies and not our chapter. An Indian education system needs the system of education objective of the studies. The explore the kind of errors made by secondary school students. The indicated the most common errors the student committed in their written essays. The find out of possible causes of source of those errors. The recommend the teachers and the students of management search errors. Methodology. The research of deceptive quantitative method and Frankel and Whelan 2003. It states the quantitative search can be classified the deceptive of experimental research. The purpose of descriptive research is to become more familiar the phenomena, to gain the new insight and the formulate a more specific research problem. Therefore, the main purpose of this search is gain to information about phenomena in order to describe deceptive conduction in the field. Specifically, the research found out the type of common grammatical errors made by students in negative essays.
Introduction in India is provided by the public sector as well as the private sector with control and funding coming from three levels: central, state and local. Taxila was earliest recorded center of higher learning in India from at least 5th century BCE, and it is debatable whether it cloud could be regarded as a university or not. India has made progress in terms of increasing primary education attendance rate and expanding literacy to approximately 2/3 of the population. India's history of education. Brahmin gurus impaired education by means of begging and not thought charging fees or funds from the students or their graduates. Later temples were also centers of education. Religious education was compulsory, but secular subjects were also taught. Student overwhelmed. India's education system is divided into different levels such as pre-primary level, elementary education, secondary education, undergraduate level and postgraduate level. The National Council of Educational Research and Training (NCERT) is the apex body for curriculum related matters for school education in India. The NCERT provides support and technical assistance to a number of schools in India and versus many aspects of enforcement of education policies.
Our education system is 10 plus 2 plus 3 plus pattern. Primary education system in India, private education, homeschooling, secondary education, higher education, technical education, and then open and distance learning.
Conclusive improvement in India systems of schooling in an defined time task and has become very important. Whatever students are learning now is mostly redundant. This information is internet, journals and newspapers. Thank you.